Okay, so this is a tutorial about this line item in the daily task which says, did you update the marketing data in all Plagium Analytics data files? So there is a file for which you need to put in the data, and that file you can get to it by clicking on this link. So that file looks like this. It has 3 different tabs, one for Facebook, one for Google Contacts, and one for Google My Business. Let's start one by one. So for Google Contacts, what I would like you to do is, for your Plagium, so let's say you are working for Plagium of Kalyanagar, okay? So for your Plagium, you need to write down the total number of Google Contacts, and that you can get very easily by going into the email and then clicking on the contacts right here, which will open up the Google Contact. And then in the Google Contact, you can very easily see that the number of contacts is 3350. So you would basically go into this spreadsheet, you double click on the date. So today's date is 8th of October, and you select Plagium of Kalyanagar, and then just check the number, which is 3350. It's right here, 3350. So that's the number I would like you to add over here, and you're done. And if you're working for Plagium of CV Ramanagar, so you would just go to the Plagium of CV Ramanagar Gmail, you click on the contacts over there, and then once you click on the contact, it will open up our Google Contacts, and you just have to take the total number, which is 1290, and you go back into this spreadsheet, you double click on the date. It's the same date, but it's not Plagium of Kalyanagar, it's CVR, and the number is 1290. That's it. Now let's go on to the next one, which is Google My Business. Okay, so this is a little more elaborate here, but let me show you how to do this. So what you have to do here is you go into in your browser, you just have to type Google My Business, and that will help you log into Google My Business. It should be automatic. You shouldn't have to do it. Your browser should remember all the username and passwords, and then you have to see for which Plagium that you're looking at. So here we go. So here we have these different Plagiums. So Plagium of Kalyanagar. Now where is... Okay, so when you log into Google My Business, you will see that all the Plagiums are listed here. So let's say you want to get, you're focused on Google for, you need to get data for Kalyanagar. So you click on the Kalyanagar business over here, and then you would click on Insights, the one on the left over here. Then when you click on Insights, it will give you a lot of good data that is available over here, and this is where I need you to get the data from and populate the numbers over here. So for example, the first one is how customers search for your business. So you go back, how customers search for your business. Okay, so what I need you to do is not for 1 month, you have to change this to 1 week. And so for 1 week you will get the data that for direct and discovery. Okay, so let's start with, let's see what is the first one in this spreadsheet, which is direct. You can see over here it's the direct one. So I need you to get the number for the direct one and populate it over here. So let's go over here. The direct is the one in green, and you can see the number is 7026. So take that number and put that number for your Plagium. So this is Kalyanagar, and we are populating this for 8th of October. So you would populate that number 7026 over there. So 7026, and this is, again, this is for 1 week. Okay, so we have to make sure that we populate this for 1 week. Okay, then let's look at for the discovery, which is the next one. So go back to Google My Business, and you can see the discovery, which is 4679. So you go back and you put in 4679 right here. This is discovery 4679. Okay, so just like this, you keep going next and next. So Google My Business, you will see that if you scroll down, there are other queries used to find your business. You can skip this one, and then you can see where customers view your business on Google, whether it's on search or it's on map. So this is also where customers view your business, whether it's map or search. So you can see that there is data for each one of them, and so we have to populate the data for the given month, for the given week. So this is 8th of October. So that's what we have to populate the data. We have to go step by step, one by one, and make sure you change this from month to week, because if you do it for month, then the data is not very useful. So we have to go week by week, and I need you to populate the data into that. Next is customer actions, right? Whether they visit your website, they request directions, they call you, or they message you. So we have to again do the same thing, change this to week, and then take these numbers over here for that day, and you populate that number into the spreadsheet. Okay, so this is how you do Google My Business. Now let's go on to do Facebook. Now the third one is Facebook. So for Facebook, let's quickly log into the Facebook account so I can show you how to do this. So what you would do is you would log into Facebook and go into one second, I will log into Facebook here, and then you would click on, let's say, Play Gym of Kalyan Nagar. Okay, now when you click on Play Gym of Kalyan Nagar, it will give you all the posts that we have done. So this one was published just 11 hours ago, right? So this was just done yesterday. And you can see for this post, so this is a gymnastics post, right? So this was done on 8th of October, and this is a gymnastics for Barbara. So you go back into your Facebook analytics, you put in the date here. Okay, so the date was 8th. This is for Kalyan Nagar, and the campaign name was Gymnastics for Barbara. Okay, then we have to get these three numbers: people reached, engagements, and clicks. So all of that are here at the bottom. So just below this, you will see people reached is 145, engagements is 2, and clicks is 12. Okay, so 145, 2, and 12. So let's put those things over here: 145, 2, and 12. That's it. And so you have to do this. So if you look at the daily task, you have to do this for previous 3 posts. Okay, so this was the first one. Let's go to the next one. Let's see when the next one was there. So you go down to the next one, and you got to keep going down. Okay, it is still loading. Okay, there we go. So this one is also gymnastics for Barbara. Okay, so this one is also gymnastics by Barbara. So 185, 2, and 12. Okay, so let's go back over here. So this one was done on the 7th. Okay, again this is for Kalyan Nagar. This is the same gymnastics for Barbara, and this is 185, 2, and 12. Right? Let's go back to the third. We have to do it for 3 posts. Remember that. Okay. Now this is done on October 5th. Okay, this is for boxing. So let's write down the engagement over here. So this one was done on the 5th. Let's put the date of 5th of October. This is also for Kalyan Nagar. This is boxing campaign. And what is the data for this? 157, 1, and 4. Okay, so 157, 1, and 4. That's it. and then we are done, and you can just close this one, and in your daily task you can mark this as yes, 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 right? So that way you have done all three of these completely. So it's really important to do this, because what will happen is we have to keep track of, are our campaigns on Facebook, on Google, are they effective, are they useful or not? And we have to make sure that more and more people are reached and engaged, and they click on our, because this is how we will get new customers. And if we keep track of it in our analytics over a period of several months, we can see that which campaigns are doing well, and we have to constantly improve this. So from 145, 150, we have to try to get to 200s, okay, then 250. And the number of people that are engaged also, we have to improve upon that, so that more people engage with our ads and marketing. That's how we will get new customers, okay? So that's why it's really important for you to do this on an everyday basis.